Okay, today we're going to show you how to set up the camera and the tripod. First thing you want to do is when you get your camera, you want to make sure you have battery. So you want to put the battery on the back of the camera. It snaps on. Make sure the teeth are aligned, just like that. To remove the battery, you press down on the battery release and pull it back out. Second thing we're going to do is take the tripod and extend the legs of the tripod. So I'll stand back here so you can see me. I'm going to extend the legs, hold the center column, and then unlock each leg. There are two sets of legs, but for this you can just do one for right now. So you want to loosen up the plate release button, press down, and remove the plate from the tripod. For some cameras, the release plate is on the side. So unlock the release lock, press the release button, and slide this one back. In some tripods, the release button is in the back. In this case, the release button is in the back. Loosen up the plate lock and hold and slide the plate off the tripod. Next step is to secure the plate to the bottom of the camera. There are usually two screws on the plate that connect to the two holes in the bottom of the camera. Line the two pins up. And secure the plate to the camera. Next, you want to slide the camera onto the tripod. In this case, you're going to slide it from the back, holding the release lock button. And it has some play in it. So you would turn it around and lock the plate lock. For this tripod version, the easiest way is to angle the camera onto the tripod. The plate's attached, press down the lock release, angle the camera in, secure it, and tighten up the lock. The last tripod function would be the tilt control. The tilt control will allow you to tilt the camera up and down. Make sure that this is loose so that your camera can turn up and down. If it's tight, you won't be able to move it. Your camera should move left to right and up and down smoothly. The basic functions of this particular camera: open up the viewfinder and hit the on-off button. Your camera will power on. Depending on the model, you will see in the viewfinder, you will see the minutes remaining on the battery. This one says 104. And you will also see some other icons that indicate that this is on automatic for focus and iris control. For this particular model, if you tap I, this will let you know how much time is left on the internal memory. This one says 3 hours and 59 minutes. And it's recording at MP4. Other models have the time right underneath the battery length. To record, just the record button in the back, press it once. You'll see the camera red dot turn on, indicating that it's recording, and you'll also see these numbers moving, indicating that your time of recording. To zoom in the camera, On the top, Control, turn it to the right, it zooms in. Press it to the left, it zooms out. Hit the record button again to stop recording. To watch what you just recorded, you can hit the play button indicated by the sideways triangle. Hit play, and you will see individual clips of your footage. To watch them, just tap the screen and it will play the footage that you just shot. Tap the screen again to stop it and then hit the stop button. And then you can hit the play button again to go back to the record feature. To connect your microphone, grab a microphone. These are called XLR connections, the 3-pin connections. Line up your 3 pins with your microphone cable, which is 3-pin to an aux for these cameras. And then the microphone plugs in on the side. The microphone plugs into the first aux port on the camera. And your headphones plug into the secondary port. Always make sure you are monitoring your sound with headphones so you know you're actually recording sound. To remove the camera, close the viewfinder, loosen the lock, press down for the release, take the camera off the tripod. Remove the plate from the bottom of the camera. And place the plate back onto the tripod and secure the lock. The easiest way to put the tripod away and close up the legs, just press everything into the middle, hold on to the center column, unlock the locks, shorten up the legs, and you're all set.